To calm somebody down. Just chill. Just chill. Calm down. Calm down. Be patient. Be patient. Control yourself. Control yourself. Get hold of yourself. Get hold of yourself. Relax. Relax. Don't lose your cool. Don't lose your cool. Keep yourself cool. Keep yourself cool. Don't get all worked up. Don't get all worked up. Take it easy. Take it easy. To forgive somebody. It's all right. It happens. It's all right. It happens. I am not blaming you. I am not blaming you. Don't worry, it's over. Don't worry, it's over. Forget it. Forget it. I won't hold it against you. I won't hold it against you. I accept your apologies. I accept your apologies. Don't repeat the same mistake again. Don't repeat the same mistake again. I've already forgotten about it. I've already forgotten about it. Move on. It's all right. Move on. It's all right. This won't come between us. This won't come between us. This won't spoil our relation. This won't spoil our relation. Write it off. Write it off. To feel happy. I am so happy today. I am so happy today. It's a great day for me. It's a great day for me. I feel on top of the world. I feel on top of the world. I'm high on life. I'm high on life. I'm really happy today. I'm really happy today. I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier. I'm feeling amazing. I'm feeling amazing. I'm in seventh heaven. I'm in seventh heaven. Life's good. Life's good. To get surprised. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. I can't believe my eyes. I can't believe my eyes. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you pulling my leg? Are you pulling my leg? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? You can't be serious. You can't be serious. It's the last thing I expected. It's the last thing I expected. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I can't imagine it. I can't imagine it. Really? Really? Hey, is this really true? Hey, is this really true? To feel bored. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm fully fed up. I'm fully fed up. I need a change. I need a change. I need a break. I need a break. When will this get over? When will this get over? It's a waste of time. It's a waste of time. I can't handle more. I can't handle more. It's enough. It's enough. It's more than enough. It's more than enough. I just don't know how to pass time. I just don't know how to pass time. Give me a break. Give me a break. 6. To feel hungry. I'm straining. I'm straining. I'm famished. I'm famished. My stomach is making a noise. My stomach is making a noise. I'm full. I'm full. I've had enough. I've had enough. I just overate. I just overate. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. I have taken my fill. I have taken my fill. To meet somebody after a long time. It's great to see you after such a long time. It's great to see you after such a long time. Long time no see. Long time no see. Where have you been all these years? Where have you been all these years? How good to see you after so many years. How good to see you after so many years. Where did you vanish? Where did you vanish? Where were you hiding for so long? Where were you hiding for so long? When was the last time we met? When was the last time we met? To forget something. I don't remember. I don't remember. It slipped from my mind. It slipped from my mind. I've become forgetful. I've become forgetful. I seem to be losing memory. I seem to be losing memory. I can recall. I can recall. It's difficult to remember. It's difficult to remember. I need to scratch my head. I need to scratch my head. I've become absent-minded. I've become absent-minded.